Hello friends, welcome you all to my new video. I'm Sudeep, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the layout of MATLAB. So this video is especially for those who are new to MATLAB and who are not much familiar with MATLAB. The window I'm showing you currently is the default window of MATLAB, and we can see here are 4 parts in MATLAB window. They are current folder, workspace, editor window and command window. Now I'm mixing every part here and making it unorganized, and I will fix it up later so I can make you understand how can we fix this problem. Now I have mixed off everything here and make it unorganized. And in order to fix it, first we have to go to home, and after that go to layout and set it into default, and that's it. We have fixed up our window. And sometimes we accidentally undock this editor window from the main window, so to dock it back to the main window we have to go to the right hand corner of the editor window and click on the down white arrow, and after that click on the dock editor option and it will get docked, and that's it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe it. And I just want to let you know that I'm going to make a lot of videos about MATLAB in the future, so if you subscribe it, you'll never miss out my video.